tidal wave. Like some more hip shit like, we tried to tell you a big storm was on its fucking way, and it was gonna be unstoppable. Now it's in your fucking face for you to fucking feel. You know what I'm saying? Like, have some like great shit right there. Like,
okay.
Like, dude,
you want to put that in?
Like, dude, this motherfucker just stepped into a time machine and went back in the '80s for
right. You want to put that in? What are you feeling?
Let's just do it just for the fucking hell of it, man.
Okay. All right, I'll start you from here.
Oh shit, I ain't even got my things on. My bad.
You good? I'll start you from the dun 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 dun.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
I tried to tell you that big storm was on its way, and now it's here. It's fucking unstoppable. Now, hold on. I need to pull this together because I can't. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Let's do it. I tried to tell you big storm was on its way, now it's here. It's fucking unstoppable, it's in your fucking ear. Now you can see it, now you can hear it, now you can fucking believe it. It's big storm and it's fucking unstoppable.
Thoughts? You want to hear it?
Yeah. What the fuck happened here? Someone call Will Smith and Jazzy Jeff.
Oh, I want to add something to this.
Like, dude, hold up. I got something to say to it. Just have a bunch of boys up in here, please. Getting down on Big Storm. It's gonna turn into a house party.
Sure.
Like, damn, dude, one thing I fucking... one minute we was recording a Big Storm, and next fucking minute I'm passed out on the fucking couch. Hoochie's laying all everywhere.
You could do something like this. But like,
oh shit!
But I'll bring it down, right? Do something like this. I don't know. Here, I'll give it to you from this part.
Oh no!
What do you think?